Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, we will show you you've often seen various wooden art, wooden decorations and craft items in the market. But have you ever wondered how these designs are made? Today, we will take you inside a factory Dutch workshop where wood is brought in its raw form and is finally transformed into a stunning wooden design. So, let's begin. Dutch. The first step is selecting the right wood. Here, a particular type of wood is chosen that is strong in quality and easy to cut designs into. The wood is first cut into large pieces, then these pieces are sized according to the design. In this step, a cutting machine is used to ensure the shape is exactly the same. Now, it's time for shaping. The piece of wood is prepared into a circular, rectangular, or any specific design's base shape. Shaping machines or hand tools are used. In this process, the most attention is given to accuracy and balance. Now, the design is marked on the wood. The craftsman prepares the pattern with the help of a pencil or marking tool so that the cutting is exactly on the line. This step is very important for the detailing ahead. This is the most interesting part of the video. Now, fine designs are cut into the wood. Lines, curves and patterns are created with the help of machine cutters, CNC tools or hand chisels. Every stroke, every cut and every design is made with great care. This is why the wooden design looks so beautiful and artistic. After the design is made, the wood is smoothed. The surface is sanded with sanding machines or sandpaper so that no rough edge remains. This makes the design look clean, shiny and finished with the premium finish. Now, the wood is polished. Wood polish, varnish or lacquer coating is applied, which increases the durability of the design and also gives it a premium look. In the end, the wooden design is completely ready and is absolutely fit to be sold in the market. Friends, this was the complete process, from a simple piece of wood to a stunning wooden design. We hope you liked this video and you learned a lot about the artistry of wood. If you liked the video, don't forget to the channel to see more such amazing making processes. See you in the next video.